Okay, guys, this is the live auction, and this is basically showing it's on a timer. So every time the timer runs out, if there is not a bid higher than the highest bid, then it'll close out. So I've been watching this for the last, excuse me, 10 minutes. I have a cold. Yeah, so it's going pretty high. But this is completely different than, a live auction because it's just quiet and you're just watching as the time runs out or as each bidder puts in their bid. As you guys can see, the minimum bid is 52,000 and the jetted value is 273. So we're just waiting and seeing. This one went up super quick, really fast. There's a lot of people at this auction because this is clearly going up faster than I expected it. So this is just a sneak peek into a live auction. As you guys can see, it's really simple. I normally wait to see what they're bidding before I put in a bid. And this one definitely is more than what I wanted to bid, so I'm not going to place a bid. So basically, you're just watching. For those that like to do tax deed overages, this would be a good place. You could do this in other states that use this format. So you could see what, the minimum bid and what it overbids. Unfortunately, Texas has a cap on overages. So for example, this automatically has went over 100,000. So you could help someone collect that 100,000, but of course you'd have to wait till after the redemption period. And this particular county, Dallas County, definitely need an attorney because you have to file a motion. And I'm talking about the overages, not the tax deeds. However, this is still a decent price for the property. I believe I showed everyone what type of property this was. I'm just curious to see if it's going to go above the retail value. Because I don't know if you guys remember last night, I think on Zillow it said 222,000. This is saying 238,000. So let's see. It looks like they're capped at 129. So if the timer goes out and no one bids higher than this, then the person gets it. And if you guys notice, I kind of like this because it's like If you hesitate, your SOL, if you don't place another bid within this time that's remaining. I'll see someone place another bid. So now it's going to, right here, this is going to count down again. So it's going to go back to another minute. You guys see that? That's because someone put in another bid. So it's a lot easier. It's quiet. You're just kind of like watching a computer. They have several states and counties that use real auction that uses this platform. So the only problem is, I say the downside of doing online, there's way more people that can sit in front of a desktop than to physically go and auction off a place. Let's see what's gonna happen. As I'm watching this, last December, there was stuff going for really good prices. But this time I'm noticing that there was a lot of properties this time. Let me see if there's anything else that I wanted. I think I'm going to log off in a minute. I think, oh no, I still wanted to look and see what this one's going to do. But you guys get the gist. This is how a live auction is. You're just sitting and watching the computer the whole time or placing bids. I try to wait till the last minute to see if they're going to overbid what my max price is going to be. So that one for 141, that's still not a bad. Ugh.